Hey guys, Delta here. Now, the bad news is that from tomorrow is going to be lockdown, so we won't be able to do plane or train spotting or trip reports because of the lockdown. The good news is that I'll still be going to college and I will still be able to do bus spotting and bus trip reports still. So hopefully, once lockdown eases, then I'll start doing trip reports on the train and plane trip reports once lockdown eases. So hopefully, yeah, because due to the second wave, there is another lockdown. So hopefully, you all stay safe and have a good day.